Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. With news, the rollback of GFC money printing has now reached Europe. The ECB has announced it will stop its bond buying by the end of 2018. But it also said it will retain its negative rate policy by waiting at least through the summer of 2019 before raising it from its current minus 0.4%. That stance has been branded as dovish by the ECB today. Bond rates fell. Meanwhile, in the US, May retail sales have come in far better than markets are expecting, recording their biggest monthly rise since November 2017. However, the IMF is pointing out the economic boost from last year's American tax cuts will fade in 2019 and 20, and their economy will then slow considerably. This report, more than the retail sales jump, is weighing on market sentiment. Canadian new home prices remain flat for the second month in a row in April, as higher interest rates and tougher mortgage regulations and local restrictions curb buyer demand. Toronto prices are falling, but Vancouver prices are holding and haven't budged all year. On trade, earlier this year, the EU and Canada agreed a deal, but one that is yet to be ratified by all EU members. However, the new Italian government is now threatening to kill it. The key issue seems to be around origin labelling. And after getting China's essential help in forcing North Korea to the nuclear bargaining table, the Americans are about to punish them with new tariffs, which will be announced tomorrow. Tariff retaliation from the EU is also about to be announced. In China, some key data has come in soft. Retail sales sagged far more than expected, and industrial production data has also come in lower than expected. China's central bank has kept its policy rates unchanged in the face of the softness. In the past, they've followed the US Fed, but not this time. On the climate front, an American agency is saying that El Nino is due to return in about 6 months. US Treasury 10-year yield is down to 2.94% following the ECB statement, and probably more importantly, the IMF report. The Chinese 10-year is at 3.68%, that's down 3 basis points, while the New Zealand equivalent is now at 2.99%, down 4 basis points. US crude oil prices are up a little today, that's a gain, and now just under $67 a barrel. But the Brent benchmark has gone the other way, falling to just over $76 a barrel. And gold is up $7 to $1,302 an ounce. And the Kiwi dollar has risen against all the majors today except the greenback. We will start today down at 69.8 US cents, but on the cross rates we're firmer at 93.2 Aussie cents and 60.2 Euro cents. That keeps the TWI at 73.2 and still in its very tight June range. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.